Driveways are supposed to be durable and sturdy because they sustain heavy traffic such as vehicles and feet. In this modern era, where home improvement is being part of beautification, investing in remodeling, from backyards through installing of a swimming pool, and now driveways. All of these are becoming more popular and trendy, especially pavers or the materials they used. A driveway that is made from pavers can last up to 25 to 50 years, it has better longevity than concrete and asphalt. Although porcelain, cobblestone, marble, and travertine are all worked well with aesthetics, it is incredibly easy to damage and doesn't hold up long for driveway installation. Aside from asphalt, which is being phased out today, pavers are the next best thing for a driveway renovation that can endure and sustain heavy traffic. Aside from the durable characteristic of pavers, it has a wide variety of designs and styles to choose from. It is the reason why many homeowners are thrilled to upgrade their driveways or even outdoor spaces. Now that you already know the features and advantages of having pavers driveways, let's discuss what is the possible maintenance for it. Do you think maintaining a paver can cost you more? The answer is no. To maintain a paver clean and beautiful, we Spokane Pavers compose some tips on how to properly care for your paver. This will help you as homeowners to save a ton of money in maintenance. Keeping pavers clean and beautiful. To keep your pavers clean and beautiful, it starts with a good cleaning habit. A speck of dirt and spill will slowly fade the beautiful facade of brick paving. A routine cleaning must include sweeping off dirt and debris. If a dirty paver has been left for a long time, a major cleaning will cost you more to retrieve the original color of your paver. But sometimes, hiring a landscaping contractor have a benefit because they come with a piece of power equipment that will help return the old brick pavers back to their original color and beauty. Another thing is, not all cleaning methods are applicable and appropriate for pavers. Sandblasters and muriatic acid are some types of cleaning components that you should avoid when cleaning your pavers. Sealing of pavers for long-term care. Applying a layer of sealant after a thorough cleaning is essential for maintaining a clean surface. This will also prevent weeds from growing between the joints. Sealed bricks will also repel the stains so that the next time they need to clean it will not be nearly as dirty. Besides, sealed bricks resist oil and penetrate dirt. This will inhibit the growth of weeds, moss, and mold. It can also resist UV rays and the cycle of freezing and thawing. In the end, the sealing of pavers will protect your investment in the long run. Identifying and repairing problems. The process of cleaning, sealing, and well-maintained paver will enjoy a long lifetime. But some accidents that occur can damage and break the pavers. Luckily, Spokane Pavers can perform repairs to damaged areas and return the overall designs and its original condition of your pavers. And no one will ever notice if a piece of your pavers have been replaced. There are a lot of situations that can damage your paver. But from that, you should let your landscape contractors do the job. They can also identify and correct bigger issues to prevent damage every now and then. These are the proper way to maintain your driveway's paver clean and beautiful. It not just help you in maintenance, but it save you $1 to reinstall every damage from your pavers. Bricks paver are reliable and beautiful technique for your project and renovations. They only require a minor maintenance and little amount of proper care. It will never be a headache for every homeowner. Spokane Pavers versus do-it-yourself. There are certain things that professional contractors can identify and spot to prevent your pavers from damages. DIY or do-it-yourself has pitfalls that homeowners can miss in terms of repairing the damage by themselves. Some damage or broken are not visible to your naked eye and only a professional can spot it. That is why we recommend you to hire Spokane Pavers in your renovation project or repairing your pavers. We have a knowledgeable and well-experienced team to handle your paving projects. And the assurance we give to our clients may increase in lifespan for well-maintained pavers. It will pay back the investment you put over the lifetime.